After months of silence, the Congress High Command seems to have finally woken up to the political crisis looming in Karnataka, and the tremors are being felt straight from Delhi to Bengaluru.
ऐसे समस्याओं को हम सुलझाएंगे। हम हाई कमांड के लोग, मैं हूँ, हमारे राहुल जी हैं, हमारी नेता, श्रेष्ठ नेता सोनिया गांधी जी है। किस ढंग से क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसा चल रहा है, उसको क्या करना है, जो मेडिसिन देना है वो देंगे उसके तहत।
On Tuesday, Rahul Gandhi held a crucial meeting with Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge in the national capital. Sources tell India Today that Rahul Gandhi discussed the power transfer deal, the possible cabinet reshuffle, and the public war of words unleashed by senior Congress leaders. Sources say Rahul Gandhi is miffed with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah for publicly rejecting any power-sharing formula. He reportedly told Priyank that Siddaramaiah should not have denied it in public.
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
And from there, the drama has only intensified. The moment Priyank Kharge landed in Bengaluru, he received a call from the Chief Minister's office summoning him to the Shakti Bhavan. He briefed Chief Minister Siddaramaiah before rushing to meet Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar at his residence. Sources say Rahul's biggest concern is vote bank stability, as he does not want any leadership transition to split key social groups. To avoid this, the party is exploring a formula. If D.K. Shivakumar is elevated to Chief Minister, then the KPCC Chief's post and Deputy Chief Minister slot may go to leaders from the OBC and SC/ST communities to maintain balance. But here's the twist. As per insiders, D.K. Shivakumar has been literally put on hold by the High Command. After months of lobbying, repeated messages from Shivakumar, came Rahul Gandhi's terse reply. Please wait, I will call back. Shivakumar is now likely to fly to Delhi on Saturday. He has sought an appointment with Sonia Gandhi, though he remained tight-lipped about the meeting.
Still it has not been whatever the party high command tells. Myself and Siddaramaiah, we are there to adhere by it, and we'll go by it.
And now the biggest question of all. With an AICC decision expected before the December 1 Parliament session, is Chief Minister Siddaramaiah heading towards his political endgame? The Karnataka Chief Minister race has just turned explosive and the countdown has begun.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.